And also, plus given, direct Cathy, and also yung material, syempre, ang ganda-ganda talaga.
Yeah. Like we mentioned, it's not something that we just thought of overnight. Si Belle kasi isa sa mga kakampi ko dito syempre sa showbiz. And we're very, very open with each other. So I think it just had to get to a point where tama yung material para sa ganitong klaseng transition. Yeah, so we would talk about it, project after project. Kailan kaya tayo magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng transition or phase to a different direction, or when will we pause, yung ganun. And when we were presented this material, syempre, parang nag-meet lang kami, sabi namin sa isa't isa, I think this is the best time kasi it's very timely.
Yeah.
And it's also one that will showcase, different sides of us. Like I said, it's a mixture of all our characters and more. So parang it just felt like the right time. And yeah, of course,
Serendipitous, parang gano'n, di ba?
Yeah.
Lahat talaga sumakto.
yeah.
Timing, creatives, story, and cast. Okay. We got a lot of questions. Pero I think the time parang ubos na. So we got a couple of more na itatanong para sa cast natin and creatives. And this is for everyone. Anyone who wants to answer could. The question is, mukhang maraming temang tinatahak ang pelikulang ito, pero easily nababasa na tungkol sa magkaibang priority sa buhay. Problema na ba ito ng young couples ngayon? Young couples, Joros.
Hindi na nga ako sasagot eh. Kasi young eh. Huwag ka na rin sumagot.
Direct ako sasagot.
oo.
Direct ako sasagot.
Ah, okay, okay.
Is it?
Is it?
Ay,
Hindi direct.
Okay.
Ako lang.
Emilio, sige. Masyado bang driven itong generation ngayon na yung relationship could take, the backseat muna?
I think sa pelikulang ito, well, based on young couples now, I think makaka-relate talaga yung mga Gen Z ngayon. Kasi, syempre, parang may push and pull between love, career, prioritizing yourself. So, I think madaming matututunan ng ating mga viewers and lahat ng mga manonood ng film about themselves, their partners, their future partners, their career. So, I'm super excited for them to see that.
And it's not just about the generation now, no? Lahat tayo pinagdaanan yan. Ano mapipiliin natin? Yung mahal ko o yung pangarap ko sa buhay? Ano bang uunahin ko? Kasi minsan hindi sumasakto yan eh. At minsan nag-aaway yan. At yun yung, I think, isa sa mga tema na tatalakayin sa ating pelikula, no? Ito, medyo juicy ito. To all better halves, would you give up something for your better half? Okay, better halves. Joros,
Ako?
would you give up something for your better half?
Una, hindi ko nakikita yung relationship namin ng asawa kong half-half. We are one. And it stays like that. At sa akin, binigay ko na sa kanya lahat by loving my Lord Jesus Christ. Kasi sa mundong ito, yun yung problema natin eh. Ano ba yung priorities in life? Like for me, it's God, my wife, my children, and then everything else. So, yun, kapag alam mo na yung dapat may prioritize sa buhay mo, everything follows. Kasi kaya nagustuhan ko tong yung palabas na to. Kasi talagang marami makaka-relate na kailangan, kasi share ko lang din bro. Biglaan lang din yung yung tinawagan ako.
Akala ko, parang automatic eh.
Oo, hindi. Yung tinawagan ako ng Star Cinema, I was feeding the poor that time.
Okay.
So, pinapakain ko kasi nun yung sarili ko dahil Then yung tumawag, oy, work, priority to. Wala nang makain pamilya ko eh. Ayun lang, kasi para
Thank you,
matawa
Lord.
si
Thank you,
Kuya.
Lord. Oo.
Ako yung would you give something up for your
Better
better
half.
half? Ako minsan yung half ko iniiwan ko pag full moon.
Iba yun. Iba yun.
Lumilipad sa kalahating katawan.
Iba na yun
Pag
eh.
full moon. Awoo!
Ay, nako. Now, you see the cast that we have, di ba? Ang saya-saya to have this family in the set. And I think yan din yung mararamdaman natin. And more, lalo-lalo na yung heartfelt passion nilang dalawa and heartaches in this film, tayo sa wakas. We got this last question and goes to everyone as well. Sa mga nakakatanda ng kaunti sa ating panel, I read that verbatim, no? Okay. What would be the best advice you would give to young people about keeping relationships alive and healthy? What would be the best advice you would give to young people about relationships or keeping relationships alive and healthy? Direk.
This film. This is my best advice to all the young people out there.
Watch it. Okay. And with that, I think we're done.
Oy, grabe naman. Sila rin pa sagutin mo.
Oh, okay.
Ito yung mga matured
Okay,
na. Ako, nag-pink jacket ako para hindi ako sumagot ng mga ganito.
So, ako yung mature.
Hindi. Ang ibig lang namin sabihin mga naka-pink. Ano yung tanong?
Yung question is, what would be the best advice you would give to young people about keeping relationships alive and healthy?
Relationship is about giving. The greatest secret in love and in life is giving. Kapag papasok ka sa isang relationship, hindi dapat you complete me. Kailangan kumpleto ka na at overflowing ka na.
Agree.
So, that's it. Love is about giving. So,
Alam mo,
ayan.
pwede ka magtrabaho sa mga Hallmark cards, ah.
Ayun, doon ako napadaan. Meron pa pala doon sa ano.
Ang dami mo makakasabihan na saktong-sakto talaga tungkol sa
Yun lang na may
relationships.
mga natututunan natin. At i-apply lang natin sa mga kabataan at sa lahat ng, yan yung mga nandito, yan yung mga naka-braces. Karamihan dyan, yung mga matatanda naka-braces, nagbabata-bataan. So, para sa inyong lahat tong pelikulang ito, kaya panoorin po ninyo.
Sabi naman. Ay, nako. Salamat talaga. I guess we got more questions coming in. May pahabol si Patrick of Business Mirror. For Don Bill, stepping down from the Love Team narrative. For now, I can't emphasize that more. What are the type of projects you are most excited about? Would there be a genre shift similar to what Donnie did with Roja or anything that you're looking forward to?
Nako, ang dami pa. Ang dami ko pang gustong matry. Basta good material, I'm all for it.
That's an actress talaga.
Yeah, ang dami
Sorry.
ko pa rin gusto matry. But I think the best thing here is that I don't know talaga what's next. And I think it's okay to not know.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah.
May mga dream projects pa ba kayo na gustong gawin? Or marami pa?
Pero ito muna tayo sa wakas.
Okay. Dito muna tayo.
Sa wakas.
Sa wakas. Okay, Rachel Siazon has a question for Direk Cathy. As a box office director who have mentored a lot of popular love teams, what is the one thing that you want them to take away or learn from you after you have worked with them? Dami na
Wow.
dumaan sa inyo, Direk, talaga.
Yeah. Well, hindi about sa kwento, but I make sure kasi in all of my sets that we become a family. Yung sabi nga ni Donnie, I always tried to gain their trust and maintain that trust even after work. That nothing, ewan ko, kasi I don't work with them as only their director. I normally become their mother, their sister. Ninang, putragis ka talaga.
Naging ninang ka na
Nakakainis
anak
ka.
ko. Ng panganay ko.
Now, but yes, it's a relationship whenever I direct. So, take away, wala. Let's just continue to love our craft and love each other. Ayoko ng mga taping friends, shooting friends, na pagkatapos ng pelikula, wala na.
Kaya susunod kami sa New Zealand.
Yan! Galing, no? Hindi lang siya transactional. There's really a relationship when you work with Direk Cathy Garcia and of course the people in her set as well. Okay, last question. Finally, coming from Josiah Antonio, Philippine Star, and this goes to Donnie and Belle. Okay, fitting last question for our Q&A. As you part ways for now, do you have any message for each other? And what do you look forward to doing after this film?
Ikaw na mauna.
Well, I know that we may not be working with each other in the near future, but I'll always be here. And sobrang proud na ako sa'yo. And if they ask everyone here, you know, Kuya Epi first, yung Inconvenient Love, Miss Vanner first series, but I've really seen you grow since day one, since we've met. And I will always look up to you. Not figuratively, but literally pala, figuratively. But in general, I'm just so blessed that I got to spend these last years with you. Yeah, I wouldn't have it any other way. Thank you, thank you.
Ayoko nung tanong. Ano ba yan? Ang babaw talaga ng luha ko. Sabi ko pa naman, di ako iiyak. Ang dami kong gustong sabihin. Pero siguro ngayon, I just wanna say thank you. Thank you so much for the journey. For just being there, for the support. And I respect you so much. And ngayon pa lang, ang layo mo na, pero malayo ka pa. And I'm just so proud of you, and I'm so proud of the man you are now. Okay na po, yan lang. Thank you.
That's it for Q&A. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause.
Pengin tissue.
Grabe yung emotion dito sa studio. And I'm sure sa lahat ng mga pamilya natin watching online, I know what you're feeling right now because we feel it too. Again, this is just for now. And we hope another chapter opens in the future. Thank you so much for answering all the questions. Sa lahat ng mga kapamilya natin, for sending in all of your questions. Maraming salamat po. But, just like what we promised, we are not yet done. As we mentioned earlier, Tayo sa Wakas opens in Philippine cinemas this May 27. But, the story does not stop right there. Because love, heartbreak, and all the questions between, they speak this universal language. And today, we're so excited to officially announce that Tayo sa Wakas will soon be reaching audiences all over the world. That is right. To our kapamilyas abroad, you gotta see this.